Check out some new ideas to beat boredom. Get ready to have fun! For the first idea, you'll need a few hair ties. Pull some hair on the side of your head into a pigtail. Tie it on your forehead above your eyebrows. Make another pigtail and fasten it to your chin. Cover your face so that only your eyes are hairless. Your look is ready. Now, we just have to bide our time, hide and wait. Ha! Here comes your friend. Turn around. Boo! Wow! How did you do that? You can have fun together. For the next idea, you and a friend need a plastic bottle and a balloon. Put the balloons in the bottles like this. Try to inflate it. No matter how much you blow, nothing happens. It won't work until you poke a small hole in the bottom of the bottle. Use an awl. See? Now it's much easier. But you don't have to tell your friend that. Let her suffer a little. Now you need your hand and a felt tip pen. Carefully draw a creature on your palm. A torso, a tail, a tummy. What will it be? Claws? Spikes? It's a dinosaur! What happens if you wiggle your fingers? Wow! Your dinosaur can growl! Look at those teeth! You can't forget to feed it! Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Next, you'll need a candle and needles. Poke the needle through the candle. Make sure it goes fully in one end and out the other. Now get a cup full of water. Drop the needle into it. Whoa! The needle doesn't sink! The wax coating is keeping it afloat. I wonder if it would work on a person. Too dangerous to try. Now take a matchbox and a piece of paper. Make a drawing like this on the paper. It's a girl with a butterfly net and a butterfly with dotted lines the size of the box. Cut it out carefully along the lines. Glue the butterfly like this. Color it in with Sharpies. Draw a pattern on the dress. Fold the piece along the lines. Press the folds through. Open the box and glue the picture to it. Done! Let's try now to open and close the matchbox. Look, the net goes down and the butterfly falls into it. Do it with a flick of the wrist. Next, we'll show you what to do with an empty candy box. Cut off all the extra cover, leaving only the top two. Cover the box with shiny white paper. Now take sheets of white and pink foam paper. Cut out a pair of ears, a pair of legs, and a nose from them. Glue them on. Glue the pads on the paws. Now assemble everything. Glue the nose in the middle, the paws just below, the ears on top. Using a fine tip Sharpie, draw the teeth and go over all the lines. Now take a thin wire and hot glue it to the ears from the inside. Hide the wire inside the box and pull it discreetly. The ears will move together with the wire. It seems that your bunny is interested in something. Look how it's moving its ears in surprise. For the next idea, get a few outlines of animals. Color them in with markers. Cut them out. Be sure to cut out semicircles below each one. You'll see why in a minute. Done! Now, take several paper animal figures and a lid from a cardboard box. Hot glue the animals with cuts to the lid, like this. And the animals without cuts. The playing field is ready. The teams are at the starting point. Sprinkle the field with decorative sand. Get a small ball and a wooden stick. Place the ball on the field and kick a field goal. Wow, this is pretty fun. Maybe because you're playing with such funny little animals. And now get a clean piece of printer paper. Draw a cat on a log like this. Color it in. Draw some curls and droplets with a blue marker. Wow! This river has a serious flow. Now bend the part of the sheet on which the cat is drawn, like this. Put the sheet in the corner of the table. Poor cat! It is about to swim to the edge of the waterfall. And then what? Hold on, Fluffy! For the next idea, you will need a pair of rubber gloves. Cut out a shape like this from a piece of felt. And some fangs. Glue them together. Glue the mouth to the palm of one glove. And glue a toy eye to each of the fingers. Now take a skein of thread and cut it into small pieces. Glue a few pieces to each finger. We are making a hairstyle here. Make the second monster on another glove. Put them on and arrange a show. These are the most fun and harmless monsters of all. What do you think of them? Now get 2 glass jars, boric acid, and antifreeze. Pour the acid into one jar and the antifreeze in the other. Let them sit for a few minutes. Now remove the lids and carefully set them on fire. Keep your distance. Be really careful not to burn yourself. The fire flashed quickly and now it's burning on the surface. And the antifreeze burned almost instantly. Be very careful trying this at home. Fire experiments should only be done with an adult supervision. Next, you'll need several pieces of colored cardboard, like red, yellow, orange, green, and blue. Draw a bell pepper with a tail on the blue sheet with a pencil. And cut it out with a box cutter. Cut out the same shape from each piece, making it smaller each time. Next, use double-sided tape to assemble the whole thing. The top is blue. Next, there is a green piece, then orange, yellow, red, orange again, and red again. The result is a 3-dimensional sliced pepper. Doesn't it look so unusual and juicy? For this idea, get a balloon and a pen. Remove the inkwell from the pen. Cut off a strip from the balloon. Put it on the pen like this. Tape it securely. Now take a long toothpick. Load your little crossbow with it. You need to place the stick against the balloon, pull it back, and fire! Aim at a stack of cups. The goal is to knock them all down. Do you think you can do it in one shot? Lastly, you'll need a piece of paper, a ruler, and a pencil. Draw a rectangle from one edge. Add a few details. Look how easy it is to draw a whole robot. Now, take felt tip pens and give the robot some stripes. Fold the paper in half and cut the robot out. Get a few coins. Glue some coins to the head and then to the arms. Place the second part on top. Done! Now put the robot on your fingers, head down. Wow! It's so strong! Look how tightly it's holding on. It's an athlete of some kind for sure. Which of these boredom-fighting life hacks did you like best? Let us know in the comments. If you're new, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Let them in on all the fun we're having.